Okay, back on the Murray. Since it had spark, put my spark plug back in. Well, different spark plug. Spark plug out of the junk mower. And but like I was saying, all you have to do is just pull this off here, put another plug in, and let it lay against the block, and it'll spark if it's got fire. Just like I showed you before. Now I've noticed the oil in this lawnmower reeks of gas. So I'm thinking this thing probably has a carburetor issue on top of the solenoid issue. I don't think it had an electrical issue that kept it from running. I'm thinking carburetor. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour a little bit of gas from that can right there directly into the hole in the carburetor right here. Then we're going to crank it over and see if we can get it to fire. So let me pause this while I do that. Okay, now I have about a teaspoonful worth of gas in the carburetor, none in the tank. So I'm going to crank it and hope she takes off for a second. So full throttle. And my little key switch here. Yeah, I got to fix that, but I want to see it run first. Folks, I think we have a winner. Let's put some gas in the tank and see what it does. Okay, now I'm back. We have a little bit of gas in the tank. So, cap back on. Choke. Not even going to try to prime it. Hopefully it's sat long enough that it will catch. See, here's how I'm jumping the solenoid.
Very well.